Most people get this wrong. They assume all crypto wallets are the same, but the surprising truth is that Trust Wallet and Ledger serve very different purposes. Today, I'll compare them so you know which is better for your needs. Trust Wallet is a mobile software wallet. It's free, easy to use, and supports thousands of cryptocurrencies. You control your private keys, and it's great for on-the-go trading, staking, and interacting with decentralized apps. You just download the app, set up a wallet, and start storing crypto securely. Ledger, on the other hand, is a hardware wallet. It's a physical device that stores your private keys offline. This means your crypto is much less vulnerable to hacks, phishing attacks, or malware. Ledger is ideal for long-term storage and large balances, but it's less convenient for daily transactions because you need to connect it to your computer or mobile device to transfer coins. The surprising truth is that many users combine both. They keep the majority of their holdings in a ledger for maximum security and use Trust Wallet for smaller amounts and active trading. This hybrid approach balances convenience and safety. In conclusion, Trust Wallet is best for active users who want mobility and flexibility, while Ledger is best for those prioritizing security and long-term storage. Choosing the right wallet depends on your crypto habits and risk tolerance. Subscribe for more crypto comparisons and tips to keep your digital assets safe.